हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज ज्योति पंचोली और आज का वीडियो है एक रिव्यू वीडियो फ्रॉम डॉटर अर्थ। दिस इज अ मेकअप प्रोडक्ट, दिस इज अ मेकअप कंसीलर एंड आई विल also review this makeup setting spray. Personally, if you ask me, I did not like the concealer because it is, let's continue with the video, you will come to know. But after I used, I think it's not so bad. So let's get started with the video. I'll tell you everything about the product, the cost, how to use, how you can use it to conceal your dark circle, how you can avoid the crease. कभी कभी क्या होता है, हम हमारी फाइन लाइंस होती है जो कि मेरी अभी नहीं है, लेकिन किसी किसी को बहुत ज़्यादा होती है। तो होता क्या है, हम जब अंडर आई कंसील करते हैं तो क्रीज हो जाती है थोड़ी देर में। तो हाउ यू कैन अवॉइड दैट आज बताऊंगी। सो मेक श्योर यू वॉच द वीडियो टिल द एंड। अंडर आई एरिया है वो बहुत डेलिकेट होती है, आई डोंट नीड टू टेल यू दैट, वी ऑल नो। तो हमेशा मेक इट अ पॉइंट व्हेन यू डू योर मेकअप, उसको मॉइस्चराइज करने के अलावा उस पर एक अच्छा सा फेस सेरम जरूर लगाए। दिस इज पॉइंट नंबर 1। सेकेंड, I personally like to use a concealer which is my skin tone, but lately मुझे इनफैक्ट अभी पता चला है कि अगर हम कलर करेक्शन करें तो इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर, योर कंसीलर डज नॉट गो ग्रे आफ्टर सम टाइम। सेकेंड इम्पॉर्टेंट नई वाली बात क्या है कि अगर आप कंसीलर जो यूज कर रहे हैं वो आपकी स्किन टोन से 2-3 शेड डार्क होगा, यू गेट मच बेटर रिजल्ट। अभी जो मैंने मेकअप किया है वो वही है। द कंसीलर आई यूज्ड वाज लाइक, आई शो यू, दिस इज द मोचा शेड फ्रॉम डॉटर अर्थ कंसीलर। इट्स वेरी डार्क, लाइक जब मैं यूज करती हूँ ना ऑन माई फिंगर, यू कैन सी इट्स लाइक क्वाइट डार्क, राइट? बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू अंडर आई, इट कंसील्ड इट सो वेल। और मैंने काफ़ी टाइम से करके रखी है मेकअप और कोई मुझे डार्क शेडो या ग्रे शेड नहीं हुआ है। I think it works. So the pro tip about today's video is that when you want to conceal your under eye, make sure you use a color corrector or a concealer which is a shade 2-3 shades darker than your original skin tone. You will get a very good result. Now talking about the brand, this is a Daughter's Earth and the concealer looks like this. It's a very cute packaging, very small and cute. And cutest thing about this product is that it is pink. I love the color pink. And apart from that, it is cute, like tuck, and it's like magnetic. It's cute. So the next product is a spray, and this will feel so cool for your skin. And personally, my experience is, it has a tightening effect on your skin. It has kombucha, holy basil, vitamin B5, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid. Speciality about this concealer is that it is formulated with clean pigment, plant waxes, and botanical oils. The concealer is a waterless, lightweight, and creamy formula to conceal blur and cover imperfections, packed with deeply nourishing plant-derived squalane, energizing coffee, and Huang Q, that's a Chinese term, uh, and a bunch of antioxidants, vitamin E, etc. Quantity of the concealer will cost you around 1250. I don't think it is costly, though it seems to be costly because this is a clean product. It won't harm your skin. It is from plant waxes. But the cost of this is 785, very reasonable. I think you should go for it. It's an amazing spray. And how to use: spray onto face and neck from a distance, and it can be used all day to hydrate your skin, or you can use it how I used is like a makeup setting spray. It's perfect. Now the brand claims that this has probiotic plus plant stem cells. It is blue like mist. And now Daughter Earth, let me quickly tell you about the brand. Now, Daughter Earth is one of the latest modern clean beauty brands, creating a buzz amongst conscious beauty customers. This vegan natural product line stands out for zealously combining biochemistry with the ancient wellness heritage of Ayurveda. As you can see my face, it's been almost an hour. I have done my makeup with the Daughter Earth concealer and set it with the hydrating spray. My makeup looks flawless. There are no creases, and it feels very soft. It's an amazing product. भले ये काफ़ी शेड डार्कर था मेरी स्किन टोन से, but it has concealed my dark circles effectively. So I think that's a pro tip of today's video. So that's all in today's video about Daughter Earth concealer and hydrating spray. See you in some other video. Make sure you watch the video further, because I have added a clip where I have done my makeup using these. So thank you for watching, and do subscribe for more.